Types of currents. Conduction current IC. A resistor RS is connected with the AC source. AC source gives alternating current that changes the magnitude and direction of the current changes periodically. This current flows through this resistor RS and the current is called conduction current. IC equals dq by dt. Good. Now let us replace this resistor by a capacitor. The capacitor gap, the gap between the two plates of the capacitor is filled with dielectrics. Dielectrics do not allow charges to flow through it. Then how come current can go from one plate to another plate? Right. This question is answered by Maxwell's by his concept displacement current. He said that the current from one plate to another plate is possible because of change in electric field with respect to time. Good. So he called that current as displacement current ID. So here, as the magnitude and direction of the alternating current continuously changes periodically, the electric field do change continuously. Right. The change in electric field is responsible for the conduction of current from one plate to another plate. That's called displacement current. So conduction current formula is IC equals dq by dt, whereas the displacement current ID is given by epsilon naught d phi e by dt. This formula Maxwell's got it from Gauss law. Right. We will be learning about it in our next video lesson. So ID equals epsilon naught d phi e by dt. The phi e is the flux, electric flux, that is equal to EA. So we replace phi e by EA. Here the A is constant. So epsilon naught A dE by dt is called the displacement current. ID equals epsilon naught A dE by dt. Good. IC is due to the rate of flow of charge. The conduction current is due to the rate of flow of charge. Good. Right. The next. The displacement current is due to the rate of change of electric field. The displacement current is due to the rate of change of electric field. Third, in different parts of the same closed circuit, the conduction current equals displacement current. In different parts of the same closed circuit, the conduction current equals displacement current. The conduction current and displacement current both are the source of magnetic field. Look at here near the conduction current, you have a magnetic field, right? Look at here near the displacement current, you have a magnetic field. Good. Then, conduction current and displacement current individually discontinuous, but in a closed circuit, they are together continuous. IC and ID are individually discontinuous, but in a closed circuit, they are together continuous. Thank you, children.